Good morning, friends. Today we discuss about a new topic, that is the global uprising of Gen Z and a fight for a climate justice. From New Delhi to New York, from Nairobi to London, our young voices are rising. The generation that grew up in the era of smartphone and social media is now standing up for something far more urgent: the future of our planet. This is the story of Gen Z, the global wave of youth activism shaping 2025. What actually happening around the world? In the last few months, a series of massive protests have erupted across the continent. Students are walking out of a classroom in Germany, blocking highways in France, and forming a human chains in India. From Australia to Brazil, millions of young people are demanding that government and corporation act on their climate promises, not tomorrow but now. These protests aren't random. They are coordinated under online, like Gen Z for Earth, Youth for Future, and Climate Strike 2025. The reason behind the uprising. Why is Gen Z so angry? Because they are living through the consequence of what older generation ignored. 2025 has already seen record-breaking heat waves across Asia, wildfires in Canada and Greece, and devastating floods in Bangladesh. According to the United Nations, climate disasters have increased threefold in last 2 decades. For Gen Z, this is not just about saving the environment, it's about saving their future. The power of digital activism. Unlike past generation, today's youth are digital warriors. They organize protest on Instagram, run awareness campaign on YouTube, and spread their message through a short, powerful videos that reach millions in a minute. Social media has turned climate activism into a global classroom where every click, every share, every story become a part of a movement. This is a power come with a pressure. Many young activists faced online hate, exhaustion, and even arrest during a peaceful protest. How government and organizations are reacting. In response to these youth-led waves, some governments have begun listening. The European Union has pledged to advance its Green Deal 2013. India recently announced new climate education program in schools, and at the United Nations Climate Conference 2025, world leaders promised to include youth delegates in every major policy discussion. However, many activists believe it's still more talk than action, that real change must be beyond speeches and into a strong laws, clean energy investment, and corporate accountability. Voices of the generation. As one 19-year-old protester from Kenya said, "We are not the leaders of tomorrow. We are fighting for today." Another from Sweden said, "If adults won't fix this mess, we will." These voices are not just emotional, they are powerful, educated, and unstoppable. The rise of Gen Z protest is not just about anger, it's about hope. Hope that government will act responsibly. Hope that technology will be used for sustainability, not destruction. And hope that humanity will unite for one common goal: to protect the only home we have, planet Earth, because as Gen Z says, there is no a planet B.